Gentlemen and ladies, we are here at Funnybone Untamed, the homecoming concert. All our friends, we came to support our brother, the extra talented husband material. Although we want to strip him of that title, he's becoming too comfortable with it. I think I'm married. Marriage is for all men. No man deserves to go unpunished. You understand? Anyway, we are here to have fun in this great city. If you're not here, you're missing out. Just to let you know. If you're not here, chai, sorry, chai. Anyway, that's enough.
We say like I have also. I hope a man or a quanko for Funnybone Untamed. So from the feedback we are getting, the show is going very nice. So very soon we'll be performing live. So watch out for your boy stars. So
alright, yeah, my people, can different what's up? I go talk, the main market man. And we're here live for Funnybone Untamed, the homecoming. The guy at the band, the guy at the good. Husband material #1. From 1 each, check all on. 1 years and I'm each. 1 key and I'm each. And he's doing it here in Stanel, in Awka, Anambra State. It's a wonderful experience and it's a thing of joy that our brother that is doing well and representing us far away to the west, Lagos, has decided to bring this fun that he has been giving people all around the world down to his place. And I'm very happy to be part of this wonderful experience. And I'm saying to him, kudos to you, Funnybone. You are a boss, a brother. We look up to you, we follow your footsteps. And we say, I personally say, may God keep blessing you and give you more grace to your elbow, more inspiration, and more money. Because as a big market man that I am, if there is no money in that thing, whatever, but there is money, so more money. Thank you.
Yes, we are here for our brother, Funnybone. Homecoming. Not everybody don't come in now. It's when you're the first in a not get village. Even if I don't do my own self, but Ogobea since they lock Lagos, Ogoro must jump, we must enter anywhere. Anywhere. When we do the show. But we're here. The crowd is massive. Like the cars they park for here. But not be play. People will come this show. God. I'm happy for Funnybone. I'm so Congrats, bro. Congrats. Man, your fans, the crowd, the nice one. As you are watching this video, a better one. Anywhere, since you feel shut down, Awka, anywhere you're shut down. God bless you. Thank you for inviting me. My name is Akboro, coming down with too much swagger, too much anointing. Why don't call me Roro King? Brah.
I'm DJ Neptune Greatness, live and direct in Awka to support my bro Funnybone. This is homecoming of his comedy show. You already know one time DJ Neptune, when I get on that stage, completely shut down. Big up Funnybone for bringing me to Awka. It was like my first time and I'm loving the city.
We're backstage. My name is Mr. Raw and we're here to support Funnybone. He's doing his homecoming edition of the Untamed series that he's into. So we're backstage waiting for our turns to perform, and from the feedback I'm getting from there, I think people are having fun. So I wish him all the best, Funnybone. They will one day, he did too much. God bless you.
White side of brackets. No be really white though. I'll be visible to Igbo. So we're here to support Funnybone Untamed. He's a brother, and the homecoming in Awka. And I hope that after this one, at the next one, we'll have more massive support from the indigenes, not just outsiders from Lagos. because we plenty for Lagos where they here, where they support. I will not want the support past the people who own the city. You understand? So I just hope that the show will go so well. We're here to support all of us, all our brothers here. From Romeo to, I know say you know this person.
Yeah.
From OBILIGBO, everybody we're here, we're all here to support.
My name is Vast Bracket. We're here to support my brother Funnybone. The show is shut down already. If you day east and you know day here, you are missing already. So we are killing it. We are killing it. Show don't blow. Nice one. Funnybone is like a brother to me, so that's why I'm here to support him. The stage jump back already, and the magic, you have to watch it, and we are going to kill it.
Yeah, we are here to support our brother, Funnybone. Funnybone homecoming. And stand from OKEY. We are here live. As you can see, we're full here. Doing live. We are here for our brother, Funnybone. Everywhere go be. Man. As you can see, everywhere Malabar. We do it together.